Good day, class. My name is Mbamesi. I am to teach you on how to make hair conditioner. And here are the materials. Number one, we have Dychort A. Because if you look at your Dychort A. So number two, we have LANET wax. Here's your LANET wax. 1 cup. We have number three, we have citric alcohol. Yes, here's your citric alcohol. And the citric alcohol is half cup. Number four, we have paraffin oil. Look at your paraffin oil. Half cup. Number four, we have preservative. Here is our preservative. 4 rows. Number five, we have our fragrance. 1 row. Look at our fragrance. For the preservative, we go with formalin. So procedure for your hair conditioner. Number one, boil 6 liters of water. Here is our water. 6 liters of water is inside the pot. Number two, melt the LANET wax and citric alcohol together. Melt this and this together in a dry pot. Here is the pot. So, number three, add your paraffin oil into the pot. Here is the paraffin oil. Then you add your paraffin oil inside this melted item. Number four, get a bucket or bowl. Pour the boiled water. Look at our bucket here. Here is the bucket. Number five, add the melted LANET wax and citric alcohol. All these things that you've melted and your paraffin oil, add them into that bucket. Number six, add the Dychort A into the still. Add Dychort A into it and stir. You pour it inside the bucket and you stir it. So number seven, add your preservative and stir continually. When you add your preservative, you stir. Number eight, add water gradually as it thickens. You will be adding water gradually. As you're adding water, you're stirring it gradually. As you're stirring it, it will be thickening. Then number nine, add your fragrance. The fragrance will be the last thing that you add. After adding the fragrance, then you package. So here is our practical. So we're about to start our practical. So you place your pot. Make sure there's no water inside the pot. There's no water. You place it on your fire. You lower it. Allow the pot to heat. So you put your LANET wax. Yes, our LANET wax. It's somehow dusty. As you can see, here's our LANET wax. Then pour. You stir it. When you are stirring it will be melting. You add your cetyl alcohol. Look at it. You also stir. As you're stirring, it will be melting. You use low flame on it. You add your paraffin oil. Measure out 6 liters of hot water inside a separate bowl.
So what is in that pot?
What is inside this pot? Paraffin oil and citric acid and LANET wax. While those items are melting, measure out your 6 liters of hot water.
Is that cup 1 liter?
Yes. This cup is 1 liter. 6 liters of water. You turn off your gas. You pour all the melted item. Turn it. You get 1 liter of water. Measure 1 liter of cold water. Add into it.
Why do you have to add the cold water? The cold water, you know?
When you add cold water into it, when you add the cold water, it will start thickening. It will start forming. As you can see that it's hot, but once you add your cold water, it will start thickening. You add your Dychort A. As you can see, it's in a thickening. It's forming gradually. Add your preservative. I have to add another one. what we are doing is 10 liters of hair conditioner. So what is here is now 7 liters. We boiled 6 liters. We added 1 liter of cold water. So this one now that we are adding now will be 8. To be 8 liters of water. So I'll add it gradually as she stirs.
Will you add any other thing after this water?
Yes, your fragrance is the last thing. After the fragrance, you package. The last thing is to add your fragrance because already it has thickened. You add your fragrance before it thickens very well because once it got blocked, you cannot apply it. You cannot add your fragrance. When you put your fragrance, when it's blocked, your fragrance will be on top. So it's better you add fragrance when it's still little bit thick and watery so that your fragrance can circulate very well. And now we can package our products. You can now package your products. I've already packaged one. Look at this. Look how it is. This is our hair conditioner. You can also apply color if you want. Like this one is light pink, that is baby pink, and this one is white. So you can add color if you wish for the yes. Where they sell the chemical. If you need color, you can still demand for color. They give you color. Yes. Like this one is baby pink. Why this one is white? Pure white. There's no colors added in this. For this one, there's color inside it.
Please don't forget to like, share and comment.